Rose quartz, LoveStone. Rose quartz is the stone of universal love. It creates trust and harmony in relationship, encouraging unconditional love. Rose quartz cleanses and opens the hearts of all levels to bring forth of love for self and others, friendship, and deep inner healing in a sense of peace. Healing with the rose quartz. Rose quartz is perhaps best known for being the stone of unconditional love. It is believed by some to emit a strong vibration of love, joy, emotional healing. Rose quartz is a powerful healing crystal. The soft, gentle, almost pastel pale pink color is a good indication of its most famous attribute, pure love. It is a stone for both giving and receiving love. Rose quartz is believed by many to encourage the qualities of love.
I thank you, every one of you. I wanna thank you, every single one.